I've been involved in bio-inspired design now for 20 years. That's where you look at a design feature in the natural world and you try and be inspired by it to produce a better engineering system. So I've looked at dragonflies to produce bio-inspired drones. I've worked on the knee joint to produce better robots. And I've looked at fish jewels to produce better biomedical apparatus. And I have found it a humbling experience because it's impossible to match the performance that we see in nature and to replicate that in engineering systems. I produced a drone based on a dragonfly, but whereas a dragonfly can flap its wings at 40 hertz, that's 40 flaps a second, that's the dragonfly we were studying, we could only get up to 10 flaps per second. Whereas the dragonfly weighed 1 gram, our drone weighed 10 grams. So it was very humbling trying to copy these things. I've had the privilege of working with some of the best designers in the world at my time at the European Space Agency. I also worked with some of the NASA scientists in America. I've also done projects with Panasonic in Japan. I've worked with some of the best engineers in Japan. But none of those compare with the designer who must have designed the things that we see in the natural world, the birds, the trees, and the plants. That designer is far above any human designer.